Hey guys, welcome back, OG Outdoors. If you're new, my name's Ben. I'm out here this morning. I've got my saws and all my safety gear, everything loaded up in the Ranger. I'm headed over to my neighbor's house. He's got this tree down and he's had it topped, but it's still probably 60 feet tall. He calls it the eyesore. He kind of blocks the sun from his pool is the reason he had it topped, but he wants it taken down. It's not really close enough to be in danger of falling on anything of any value. It's back in the woods, kind of behind his house up on a hill. So I'm gonna get over there today and see if I can get it down. If it's a good species, I may cut it up for firewood. I got a suspicion it's a sweet gum though. I've done some work over there in the past, so I'm not really for sure. I'm gonna try to get y'all some video of this, but you know, if I get into the heat of the battle over there and I'm more focused on getting the tree down safely, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and cut that down. May not get a lot of video, but we'll see. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and give my disclaimer. This is the way I cut trees. It's not a how-to in any way. I know I'm gonna get comments. The first one will be oh, I remember the first time I cut down a tree. That one, and of course my saw is gonna be dull, but hang around with me today and we'll see what happens. I haven't measured it or anything, but I'm guessing 30 plus inches. So we get it started and get a notch in it and get a couple wedges in it, and I'm gonna try to get it to fall actually kind of just toward where we're standing. No, I need for there to be less metal in this tree.
I could never get in that tree.
There was a fence somewhere, something at some point in time, 50 years ago, 100. Could be a bullet. You never know. Are you a happy customer?
Absolutely.
All right, guys, it's down. Got it to go where I wanted it to. Kind of tried to get cute there at the beginning. I was going to put my back cut in a little ways first and get me a couple wedges in it and then notch it. We'll kind of hose that up, but my back cut wasn't in very far. So once I got the notch where I wanted it, I just put a completely new back cut, and everything was going fine until the theme for my channel continues. I keep destroying chains. Got almost in the middle of it, getting close to where I had my hands where I wanted it, and I saw sparks fly, felt hit something. So long story short, after I got it down, I looked and there was two pieces of metal I hit. It looked like it was wire, but what gets me is it was in the very center of the tree almost. I mean, it's been there for forever. I don't know how old this tree is. I don't know how long it takes a sweet gum to grow. This thing's probably 30 inches, maybe a little more, but I don't know. I guess just my luck continues, but I guess I had good luck. It's down, everybody's safe. He's got a little road over here, a little trail in the woods. I got to cut it off of there so he can get through with this Ranger. Okay, well there we go. We got one sweet gum down, out of sight, got the trail cleared out as advertised. It's a shame this stuff was sweet gum. I mean, it makes some great wood if it was another species, because I could split it up and set it out in the wood yard and season it for a year, and it'd probably be so bad I couldn't sell it. I could maybe use it for myself, but I don't want to use it because it creates a lot of ashes and it's kind of aggravating to me. But so it's kind of a waste, but I didn't want to take the time to try to haul it out of here, so we'll just leave it at that. But anyway, if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification icon, that way you know I put out new videos. And like always, I'm going to catch you on the next one, and I really appreciate you watching.